Want to master Jasper reports from beginner to advanced? You are in the right place. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the full Jasper reports course. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a pie chart in Jasper reports using MySQL database. So this is a very important feature because pie charts are used to show data distribution in percentage form. For example, expenses breakdown, category-wise data, and financial reports. So let's start step by step. In the previous videos, we learned how to connect Jasper reports with MySQL database, how to design reports, how to create bar charts in Jasper reports. So now we are moving to pie chart visualization. So in the first step, let's create database and database table. For that, let's open MySQL Workbench. So we have Jasper Reports database. Then we have expenses table. And this table contains ID, category, amount, and expense date. And here we provided sample data. That is good. Then we have a simple query that can select category name and calculate total amount from the expenses table, and this can group data based on the category ID and total amount. So don't worry about these scripts. You can get from the video description, there is no problem. And we have already created database, this table, and we inserted sample data. Now just let's select data based on this query. As you can see, we have category and we have total amount. We have different categories like rent, food, utilities, transport, and internet. So that was the second step. In the third step, let's open Jasper Studio. So this is our previous report. We want to close that. So in the third step, we want to create a new Jasper reports. We want to connect with MySQL database, fetch data from MySQL database. We have already this project. You can create any project also, there is no problem. But we want to use the same project. As you can see, we have chart reports. Inside that, we have only one report. We want to create a new one. Right click on that, then we have new. And here we have Jasper report. So as you can see, we have different templates, but we want to use this simple blank A4 template. Click on that, then click next. So let's provide name for the report. For example, expense pie chart report. You can use any name, there is no problem. Then click next. So we have a new report wizard, and here we have data adapter. We want to select sample DB database JDBC connection. Select this one. Then we want to establish the connection. We want to establish a new connection. And here we have different data sources like CSV file, collection, custom implementation, and we have database JDBC connection. We want to select this one because we will fetch data from MySQL database. Then click next. So, and here in the first step, let's specify JDBC driver for MySQL database. We want to select that. We have MySQL database, then we want to select this driver. So thereafter we have database credentials like URL, username, and password. As you can see, we have already this database, Jasper Reports DB. Just copy that. Sorry, we want to remove that. And here we want to specify username. The default username is root and the default password is empty. So thereafter, let's test the connection. We got exception. We have java.lang.class not found exception. com.mysql.jdbc driver cannot be found. Okay, there is no problem. We want to add this driver. Just select driver class path, and here we want to add JDBC MySQL driver. We have MySQL driver here. If you don't have this driver, you can get from the video description link. There is no problem. Then open. Okay, the driver is included. Let's test the connection. As you can see, we got a message successful. That is good. Thereafter, we want to click on the next button. On the finish button. So now we listed all the databases from MySQL. We have different databases, but we want to select JasperReports DB. We have different tables. So we have query editor. We have already typed that query. We want to copy the same query from here. Just paste here. Okay. So thereafter, let's click on the next button. Then we want to add these fields. Then click next. Then click finish. Okay, new report is created successfully. That is good. One thing you remember, we have query editor here. You can edit this query as well if you want. For now, we want to skip that. Just click on the OK button. So thereafter, let's drag and drop chart. We have chart. We want to drag and drop from here. Simple drag and drop. And here we want to select pie chart. Then click next. So now let's configure this chart. First, you want to add series. Just click on that. Then click on the add button. We want to add name for that. For example, expenses. You can add any name. There is no problem. Then click on the OK button. So thereafter, we want to specify the key expression. Just click on that. And here we want to specify this category. Click on that. Okay. So this will create slice like food, rent, internet, utilities, and so on. Then click finish. So thereafter, let's specify the value expression. Just click on that. And here we have total amount field. Double click on that. So this determines size of each slice based on the data. Then we want to finish that. So after that, we have a label. Click on that. We want to select this category because based on that, we can display each category name like food, rent, transport, internet, and so on. So the configuration is completed. We added series, key, value, and label. Let's finish that. Let's make that bigger. So let's save the changes. We want to run the report to see the result. So as you can see, we generated a nice pie chart. We have internet, transport, utilities, food, and we have rent. Okay. So thereafter, let's back to the design mode. And here we want to right click on that. We want to edit this wizard. And let's edit label. And here we displayed only the category. You can display the total amount as well. Just simple concatenate a string value. For example, this one. Then we want to select total amount. Then finish. Okay. Let's save the changes. Then preview the report. So as you can see now, we have category name as well as total amount. We have internet, transport, we have rent, and so on. Okay, if you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.